travelers, and welcome to another episode of Teresa's Travel Tales. I'm really excited about what I'm going to show you today. I'm new to YouTube, and so I've been filming on my iPhone, but I decided to invest in an actual camera. So I got it in today, and I'm going to open it and show you what I got. A disclosure, I am a member of Amazon Affiliate Marketing, so I will put the link for this camera in the description. And if you want to support this channel, if you click on my affiliate marketing link, you do not have to purchase this camera. Anything that you purchase from Amazon through my link, I get a small commission on. It doesn't change your price whatsoever, but I do get a small commission. So if you click the link and you go to the page with the camera, you don't have to get that. You can, in the search box, search for whatever you normally get. Your cat litter, dog food, a new purse, new clothes, whatever you shop for on Amazon, I will get a small commission on. So I would truly appreciate that. I'm trying to use this as a way to build my channel. But anyway, let's get into the unboxing of the camera. I already opened the box and cut everything because it was packaged really well, and so it was hard to get into. But I will start with this carrying case. This came as a bundle, and it's got so much with it. It was a great value. And this is the camera bag. If you can see that the camera will go in. And in it is a strap to hook across here to carry it in, and it's got compartments in here and a little zipper. So like I said, this was all a bundle, and it was an amazing deal. And then in this bundle, I got this LCD lens cleaner. So there were several items in this bundle, and that was one reason I purchased this. I could have gotten just the camera, but it was just a little bit more to add the bundle and get the case, which I needed anyway. And then there's just all kinds of cleaning supplies. This is the hand grip. This will attach to the camera. And then this is a USB multi-card reader writer. And then this is really cool. It's a memory card wallet. So you can use this and store your memory cards in here. And it came with a rechargeable battery and a travel charger. So this is great. And it says it will completely charge your battery in an hour. So that is awesome. It also came with this 8-inch tabletop tripod. So I'll turn it this way so you can see it better. And then it came with the scan disc, the card, and an adapter. And it says includes SD adapter for easy file transfer. So all of this was in the bundle. And then now for the actual camera itself. Yikes. It is a Sony HDR CX405 Handycam. So I have not opened this camera yet. But I am super excited to have this camera. Now I've just got to learn how to use it. We're actually going to Biloxi, Mississippi next week for Cruising the Coast. It's a huge classic car show. It's a week-long event, and it's up and down the coast, Biloxi, Gulfport, Bay St. Louis, Ocean Springs. It's amazing. There are over, like, I believe 30,000 classic cars there. So it's just a great event. And so we've gone every year for like the past 6 years. So I'll plan to do a lot of vlogging from there and show you what Cruising the Coast is all about. And here is the wall plug. You can see the little wall adapter. This cord. This is different, not sure what this is. And then the actual, and it's very light. So, it does have a flip out screen, which I really wanted. So, yeah, this is my new Sony Handycam. So, I will be learning and experimenting and filming this upcoming week. It's October 1st. I'm not sure of the exact dates. I'm getting confused. But it actually starts on Sunday and runs through Sunday. We are going to check in Sunday, and we will actually come home on Friday, because the last weekend is usually insane. The traffic's horrible. You can't really get around. So we go at the beginning of the week when it's a lot less crowded, and then come home as that weekend starts getting really packed. But anyway, that's it for my camera unboxing. Wish me luck in learning how to use it. And thank you again so much for watching. Don't forget, I'm still running my contest for when I reach 100 subscribers. I'm going to put the video up here that you would watch, and then you just subscribe to my channel and comment on that video what your favorite vacation destination is. And once I reach 100 subscribers, I will do the drawing. But also follow me on social media. I have a Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Everything is just like my YouTube, Teresa's Travel Tales. So thanks again so much for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day and a great upcoming week. See you real soon.